Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zilla fish in All Out. First, you need to find the designated fishing area where these elusive fish are known to spawn. Make sure your fishing rod is upgraded and you have the specialized bait required for rare catches. Also, double-check your inventory for any fishing buffs or gear that can increase your chances of success. Once you're at the right spot with the proper gear, cast your line into the deepest part of the water. Pay close attention to the visual cues for a strong bite, as Zilla fish often have a unique animation. When you get a bite, begin reeling it in by carefully following the on-screen prompts to avoid breaking your line or losing the fish. Precision is key here. To maximize your chances, try fishing during specific in-game times when Zilla fish are more likely to appear. Some players find success by forming a party with friends, as shared buffs can significantly boost your fishing power. Remember, patience is crucial. These rare fish don't always bite on the first try, so keep at it until you land one. After successfully catching your Zilla fish, you can take it to a vendor to sell it for a good amount of in-game currency or process it for valuable materials. These fish are often used in crafting powerful items or completing challenging quests, so decide how you want to utilize your rare catch. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.